you're disposable. Summer's Eve, Mass and Gale. Shady's got the mass appeal, baby. Crank the shit, cause it's your goddamn jam. You said that you want your punchlines a little more compact. Well, shorty, I'm that man. These other cats ain't metaphorically why I'm that man. I gave Bruce Wayne a Valium and said, settle your fucking ass down. I'm ready for combat, man. Get it, combat, man? Nah, ain't nobody who's as bomb, man. Ass nuts, lines are like moms, cats, cans, cause they fucking go bananas. Honey, I bought that ass. Swear to God, man, these bras can't dance. Ma, show 'em how it's done. Spaz like a goddamn Taz, yeah. Donkey with Parkinson's. Make like Michael J. Fox in the drawers, playing with a ninja sketch. Betcha that you never guess is knocking at your doors. People hit the floors. Yeah, tonight, ladies, you gon' get divorced. Girl, forget remorse. I'ma hit you bras with Chris's force like you pissed him off. Talented with the tone, motherfucker. You ain't got a lick in yours. Hitting licks like I'm robbing liquor stores. Making cash registers. Shit the drawers. Think you spit the raw? I'm an uncooked slab of beef laying on your kitchen floor. Other words, I'm off the meat rack. Bring the beat back. Bring me to extension cords. I'ma measure my dick. Shit, I need 6 inches more. Fuck my dick's big, bitch. Need to remind you that I don't need the fucking swine flu to be a sick pig. You're addicted, I'm dope. I'm the longest needle around here. Need a fix? I'm the big shot. Get it? Dick snots. You're just small boats, little pricks. Girl, you think that all the bricks hot? I'll drink gasoline and eat a lit match. While I sit back and let him get hotter. Better call the cops on him quick fast. Shady's right back on your bitch ass. White trash with a half a six-pack in his hatchback. Trailer hitch, it attached to the back. Dispatch.
You can sound the alarm, you can call out your guards, you can fence in the yard, you can hold all the cards, but I won't back down. Oh no, I won't back down. Oh no.
Bitch, am I the reason that your boyfriend stopped rapping? Does the bird chirp? Lil Wayne slurp serve till he burps and smoke burp. Does the word search kick? Circles wrapped around it like you do, and I come through it like it to remind yourself of what the fuck I can do when I'm on the mic. Or you're the kind of girl that I can take a liking to. Psych, I'm spiking you like a football. Been this way since I stood a foot tall. You're a good catch with a shitty spouse. Got a pretty mouth and a good jaw. Give me good brain. Watch the wood grain. I want no cum stain. Bitch, you listening? Turn me back up. Are you insane? Trying to talk over me in the car? Shut the fuck up while my shit's playing. I'm a shit stain on the underwear of life. What's the saying? With the thunder, there's lightning, and they say that it never strikes twice in the same place. Then how the fuck have I been hit 6 times in 3 different locations on 4 separate occasions? And you can bet your stinking ass that I've come to smash everything in my path. Fork was in the road, took the psychopath. Poison ivy wouldn't have me thinking rash. So hit the dance floor, cutie, while I do my duty on this microphone. Shake your booty, shorty, I'm the shit. Why you think Boom used to call me Judy?
You can sound the alarm, you can call out your guards, you can fence in the yard, you can hold all the cards, but I won't back down. Oh no, I won't back down. Oh no.
Побіг! Что, еще кто-нибудь остался, нет?